1 and 3. So all the way up at the front, 1 is on the left and 3 is on the right.
Season due to one animal in particular that absolutely loves these berries, and it's right here in the name. Does anybody know which animal that would be? Oh, I gotcha. Not buffalo, bears absolutely love these berries, especially here in Banff National Park into the Canadian prairie. Opening right into the prairies creates a wind tunnel-like effect for those hot prairie winds pouring in, mixing with the cold mountain winds. That sudden change in temperature creates some very violent windstorms. Just yesterday, we probably had waves of about 3 to 4 feet on this lake. PT guide of the time. Now, Pichet, he was a nice man. He wasn't going to tell George he was out of shape and couldn't do the trek through the Athabasca Pass. So he said, I know it easier than George because he held Alexis Pichet in such high regard, wanted to commemorate something in his... We call it a We'll just remain in our seats until Captain Quinn gives you the thumbs up that you're safe to depart. But please, enjoy the rest of your vacation and promise me one thing.
There's a sea.
Good day, guys.
Have a good one. Thank you.
I said thank you.